Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set your Telegram account to automatically delete itself after 6 months of inactivity. This is a useful privacy feature that ensures your account and all associated data are removed if you stop using the app for a long time. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. On Android, this is usually the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. On iPhone, you might see your profile icon instead. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where all your account preferences and controls are located. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section manages how your data is handled and who can interact with you on the platform. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete My Account. This is where Telegram allows you to control automatic account removal based on inactivity. Tap on Delete My Account and you'll see several time options. These define how long your account can remain inactive before it gets deleted automatically. From the list, choose 6 months. This means that if you don't log in or use Telegram for 6 consecutive months, your account will be permanently deleted along with your messages, contacts, and groups. Once selected, your setting is saved instantly. There's no need to confirm anything else. And that's it. You've successfully set your Telegram account to self-destruct after 6 months of inactivity. It's a simple but powerful way to stay in control of your digital footprint and protect your privacy without any extra effort.